Repeat. Real elemental practice. Concepts. Skinimalism. Raw organic. 3 saves.
Yes.
Skin. Earth. Pocket.
They're a brand that promotes clean beauty and cruelty-free. That's why we have our little Repeat bunny today. And eco-chic.
Yeah,
all of their
I wanna
packaging.
say, the packaging is really chic.
And why is it more chic? Because they're all recyclable.
Everything about them.
Yeah.
Even the printing.
Yes.
Is
it's made
good
with
for the environment.
soy ink, which I've never heard about. All of these are also free of 10 harmful ingredients. No parabens, none of that, so you don't have to worry. The first one is the Gentle Face Cleansing Remover Pads, and this is actually my favorite out of all of the Repeat. The immediate removal of makeup is going to help your skin to breathe. So that's important because you don't want to keep makeup on for too long. It's going to clog your pores. It's going to produce more sebum, more dead skin. So this is what I would immediately reach for when I enter my home.
Pretty big.
A huge pad. You just need one for your whole face. And the best part of this is that it's gentle, but also it removes your waterproof makeup. These actually don't sting, which was super surprising because usually the more chemicals that are added to a product, it's going to make your eyes sting. But that's definitely showing that this product doesn't have those harmful chemicals in there. But at the same time, it's stripping all of that waterproof makeup off your face and your eyes.
Then we have the
Organic Cotton Treatment Toning Pads. These are made with 100% organic cotton. And they come in different sides. So one side has sort of like a mesh feeling to like exfoliate your skin. The other side is a softer cotton
for all over
side for just all over. And this is focused more on toning your skin.
So calendula, chamomile, lavender for soothing, and also firming elasticity. So you'll see a trend of that in this line with like the firming and everything.
NUTRINATURE's Ultra Nourishing Cream. I love the packaging because it's sustainable, at the same time it's recyclable, but at the same time airtight, keeping everything air-free.
It's a thick, moussey texture that's really hydrating, but it's not greasy, oily, sticky, or anything. It just firms your skin like you use it feels like those expensive creams.
It has amazing ingredients in there. Shea butter, rosehip, olive, argan, all great for moisturizing your skin from the inner layer. All of these products, no fragrance added, but it smells amazing.
Yeah, it's really really organic, like herbally,
nature herbally
natural
scents.
smell. Yeah.
It's amazing. Next one.
All-in-one multi-tem.
Yes, the NutriNature.
Yeah, great for lazy people. Or people that don't have time.
So you need this Repeat all-in-one.
Yeah, and it's quick because with items like this, it's quick and easy.
Yes, so you have no excuse to not take care of your skin.
Yeah.
No excuse.
Also, one thing is this is a really good gift for people around you that don't do skincare. It takes care of all the toning stage, lotion, moisturizer, cream, all that.
All of that. Relief mask, the NutriNature All Night Moisture Relief Mask, which is
overnight mask.
Yes, overnight mask. So you don't have to go through the mess. You just pop the cap off, pump it on your face, move it around a bit, and go to sleep. And the next morning, you just rinse it off, and you're just gonna get this soft, supple, dewy skin, prepped perfectly for makeup, whatever, like sunscreen. It's gonna feel so soft.
Lemon balm, tea tree, olive, comfrey, and apple mint.
And also pore tightens.
Yeah, that
lemon
smells
balm
good. Yeah,
tightens your pores.
Real calming, biofresh with real calming herb mask.
Yes.
So
you
that
like this one.
I like this one. That one was a pump type. This is the one you do have to stick your fingers in. This is more like a 10-15 minute kind of mask. Skin relief.
Yes.
If you like the way I use it, like I said earlier, the way I used it was after my skin was I was kind of going in with all my I literally did like 3-step cleansing, and so my skin here got really red.
Eddie.
So I used this and it helped relieve that, but it left the skin as well kind of that. Like it was moisturized from within.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Calendula, chamomile.
Yes.
In there. It's just relief, basically.
Yeah, calming your skin.
Thanks, Repeat. Bye.
All right. Bye, guys.